Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, I will show you how to fix the Internet disconnected error in Google Chrome. Open Windows Search and type View Network Connections. Click on View Network Connections. Find your network adapter. Double-click on your network adapter. Click on Properties. Click on Internet Protocol version 4 TCP IPv4. Click on Properties. Select Obtain an IP address automatically. Select Use the following DNS server addresses. Set preferred DNS server to 8.888. Set alternate DNS server to 8.84.4. Click OK. Open Windows Search again and type cmad. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes. In the command prompt, type ipconfig/flushdns. Press Enter. Type netsh winsock reset. Press Enter. Restart your computer. After restarting, your internet should work normally and the Internet disconnected error should be fixed. Thank you for watching. If this helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.